Hello guys, welcome back and new video, new day. This time I've got an RC car, got another toy. Let's see what it is. It's a unique toy and we will see how it works. इसको open करते हैं. I've already opened the seal of the box. Let's see. Now guys, you can see what it is. It's an RC car. Let's open this. This is a box. So looking at the picture, I have received this one. Okay, this is the remote control. Okay. It's a very small car. ज़्यादा बड़ी नहीं है. It's a very small one. You can see in this. But the unique thing is, this is very small car, like a drift RC car. It's a small RC car. See the steering working. This is the trailer. Okay, with this RC car there is a trailer also. So this is the USB charging cable. Small remote. Okay, so this is the USB type C charging. We'll have to put it over here and charge it. There's an on-off switch over here. It is always there for the RC cars. And this one is a trailer. This trailer you will have to put it like this on the rear side, and now this works. The trailer, you can see the trailer has some moving parts as well. You can see over here an old Defender, and this is an Expedition version, a Defender Experience or Expedition version you can say. So old Defender, it's not a Defender 110. And then this you can open like this. You can see the compartment for sitting in the vanity van. That works. It's a trailer that works, and that opens over here, so like this. And this is the remote control. Overall the design is nice, but we'll have to see if this really works. So I have taken this as the first time, so let's see how this works. Okay, we'll have to make this on. Now you can see the lights are blinking. You can see the front and the rear, both lights are there. You can see both lights blink. Okay, now this is not been paired. Ideally when this will be connected to the remote control, this will stop and it will be a continuous flashing light. So let's see now. There is a remote over here given. Yeah, so this is opened now. Let's put the battery inside and see if this is working. No, the remote is not working still, because in case the remote works, this will blink and this will get paired with this. This is what it is. It's still not working. So let's change the battery of the remote. I have another CR2032 battery. Okay, let's see if this works with this again. So we'll open this again. Yes, and we will keep the second battery inside. At least this should work, else we'll have to say that the remote is non-operational, because the car is working but the remote is not operational. Yes, it does not work. See, so it clearly shows that there is again a faulty shipment I have received, and this does not work. So unless and until the remote works, this will not get paired and the car will not run. Although the car is fine over here, it's a good car. I see it's blinking perfectly, as you can see over here how the lights blink, this one and this one as well. But what is the use since the remote is not working? So again, this time the guys while shipping have not tested it, just shipped what they had, and then again I have received this faulty shipment. That is what I understand. So I don't think there is anything further to say on this. Car is nice. It's a Defender, so I liked it. It's replicated properly. The big Defender, actually, the older Defender. Nice. There is an exhaust over here, as you see here. Snorkel. Okay, to get fresh air. So it's an Expedition version. It's here. It's a written Defender, Land Rover Defender. So nice overall, replicated very nicely. But the problem is this will not work. It's not working from the remote, and then this is not a normal 27 megahertz car so that it can work with any other remote. That is the problem. I don't think I can make this work. So only option is like you have to see the options of returning or replacing it. That's it from my side. If you like this video, this is a genuine unboxing. If you like this unboxing video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more videos. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.